It's me, Red Diamond. Today I'll be making some slime, glittery slime, and you're gonna need Elmer's glue, Tide, liquid Tide, and then I already poured my glitter and glue. So now I mix. Oh my god, this is so hard. With the camera in my hands. Okay, see, there's not a lot of glitter in there. Yeah, I could say that. So I'm gonna add a couple more glitter. And add a little bit more glitter. Okay, that's good. And then just mix that up. That looks good. And now add my Tide. And then the Tide is what it makes like it all clump up together, come out perfect. But when you're gonna knead it, it will stick to your hands. I have to say that. It will stick to your hands. So yeah, now I'm in the kneading process. If you notice that I'm in a rush because this is like the 5th time that I had to do this, because apparently like I can only have this like very short amount. Oh my god, this is way too sticky. Tide didn't do its job. Well, it kind of did. It's so sticky. So yeah, it's still sticky. What? Do I need to add some more? Oh shoot, it synced. Okay, yeah, I think that's a good amount of Tide, but not good amount of glitter. I'll add some later. Let's see. Oh, I can see the glitter. Oh my god. So yeah. Let me finish kneading this and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done and it's not very that glittery, so I'm gonna add some more glitter. And you guys don't really need to see that though. But I'm still gonna be showing you guys, so I'm just gonna, oh shoot, there's some trash. Hold on. So just pour some glitter like that. And then I'm just gonna knead it in. So yeah, big reveal. Could you guys see the glitter? I don't think you guys could. Hold on, I'll be right back. I don't know if you can see it better, but there is glitter in here, I swear. Okay, bye, love you all. Not really, because I don't know you. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Put in a little more glitter. Okay, hey, I dipped in more glitter. Let me knead it. Okay, bye.